The management system must simplify your work and be easy to use. SAP Business One is the solution that allows you to control the entire organization easily and efficiently. SAP Business One provides all the functions necessary for efficiently managing your business, simplifying business processes such as, for example, the automatic creation of production orders from sales orders or creation via the web of requests for estimates from suppliers. In just a few clicks, analyze and monitor the performance of business processes by using the appropriate indicators and dashboard analytics. You can immediately identify the critical issues and relevant processes involved. Accounting data are automatically fed and linked to business processes and obtain a complete integrated view of financial data. Provide better service to your customers by accessing information quickly on your tablet or smartphone. The new SAP Fiori user interface and customized dashboard analytics make your work simpler and more effective than ever. Everything is simple to control with SAP Business One.